Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can hide or unhide apps on the iPhone 15 running iOS 17. So first, on your home screen, if you want to hide apps, what you want to do is touch and hold on the app, so YouTube, then tap on remove app, and then tap on remove from home screen. This will remove the app from the home screen and you can no longer find it. To unhide the apps or to bring the app back to your device, swipe across until you go to the app library. So you might need to keep swiping across to the left until you go to the last page. Once you got to the last page, it is the app library. Now in the app library, you can scroll down or up and find the app that you want to unhide. So here we got the YouTube app from entertainment. I can drag it out to my home screen like that and let go, and then tap on the home screen to save the changes. Okay, let's delete it to hide it again. So remove app. Now do not tap on delete app. That will permanently remove your app from the device. Just simply tap on remove from home screen to hide the app. Now another way to find the app from the app library is to use the search function at the top here. So tap on the search text box and then put in the name of the app you are looking for, and then simply touch and hold onto that and then drag it out onto the home screen. And that's it. That is how you can simply hide or unhide apps on the iPhone 15 running iOS 17. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.